10 ways to take care of yourself if you're always busy. We all know how busy life can be. Between the long hours at work, the time at the gym, girls' night, and trying to score a date here and there, you are beyond busy. We totally get it. But that doesn't mean you have to skip out on keeping yourself healthy, especially when it doesn't take much time out of your already jam-packed day. Here are 10 ways to take care of yourself right now. But before we begin, make sure you're subscribed to our channel because we publish new videos every day. And most importantly, we want you to join our community of boss ladies. With that out of the way, let's get started. Number 1. Listen to music. Get out of your funk by slipping on some headphones and rocking out to your favorite jams. You can do this with ease during a coffee break or when you are heading home for the day. No matter where you are, you can find some time to listen to a great song that puts you in a good mood to help make the ease of the work week so much better. Number 2. Schedule a massage. Getting a relaxing rub-down will help ease any tension hidden in your muscles and your mind. But if you don't have a full hour to enjoy an indulgent massage at your favorite spa, go get your nails done and have a technician rub your shoulders and back while your nails are drying. It takes less time and you come out feeling good while sporting some sexy manicured nails. Number 3. Don't lose sleep. Everyone needs their sleep, but we know how hard it can be to get the full 7 to 8 hours that is usually required. Whether you're up thinking about tomorrow's agenda or you're lost in a new series binge-a-thon, there's plenty of reasons why you're not getting enough sleep. However, it's important that you try, but if you can't get it all in one night, take a quick 10-minute nap during the day to feel energized. Number 4. Get lost in a book. Keeping your nose stuck in a good book not only allows you to get lost in a great story, but it can keep your mind sharp. It's also been said that fiction can provide more creative juices to flow, helping you not only with a must-try craft, but with a project at work too. And to sweeten the deal, reading can actually help you get a better night's sleep. Number 5. Take time to de-stress. Whether this means you take 10 minutes from your day to meditate or you take an entire hour to hit up a local yoga class, de-stressing can help you declutter everything that's whirling around in your mind. If you don't have a lot of time, take a quick walk around the block during your lunch break to give your mind a break and allow your body to stretch and energize. Number 6. Laugh a little. We know that your work week is anything but funny, but it's important not to stay too serious. Laughing can help with your mood and overall health. It's even been known to help with heart disease. So take a break and watch a funny YouTube clip or read something that puts a smile on your face because happiness is the key to your overall health. Number 7. Head outdoors. Being outdoors for even a few minutes a day can help you gain a peace of mind, relax, and completely unwind. Between the fresh air, the chirping birds, and the warm breeze, your mind, body, and soul will feel completely rejuvenated by the time you head back inside to finish your workday. Did you know that getting just a little bit of vitamin D from the sun can help boost your mood almost instantly? Number 8. Stay active. Working out is essential for both your mind and body. It's important to stay fit so you keep yourself healthy, but it can sometimes feel impossible to do when you're busy. If you can't schedule out some time before or after work to get some exercise, try to incorporate it in your day-to-day activities. Simply walking to or from work will help get you outside and get your blood pumping. Number 9. Separate yourself from technology. Sure, we live for our technology these days, but that doesn't mean you always have to be plugged in. Spending some time away from your phone and computer is healthy because it allows you to relax, recharge, and disconnect from the world if only for a few minutes. Number 10. Get your fruits and veggies. It's so important to get the right nourishment so that your body can stay healthy and strong for years to come. And guess what? It's not nearly as hard to do as you might think. Instead of picking up that donut for an afternoon snack, try a piece of fruit and a handful of nuts to tie you over. You'll not only feel healthier, but you'll stay fuller longer. Now, this should have been the end of our video, but if you're still watching, then here are a few more things that may just do the trick. You're welcome. Number 11. Shop a little. How many times have we been told retail therapy is not good for us? Well, it might not be as bad as we have been taught to think. Shopping can actually help boost your mood and make you happier, which can instantly brighten your day. Just be sure not to go crazy on your shopping spree because buyer's remorse won't help cure those Monday blues, it'll just amplify them. Number 12. Get busy in the bedroom. Getting intimate helps with a lot of things. It can help you both physically and mentally, allowing your mind and body to relax and feel good. Not only can it help rid some serious work anxiety, but it's also been said to help boost your immune system, making you strong and healthy. Thank you for being a part of Rebela. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. We also handpicked these videos which we recommend you watch next, and we'll see you back tomorrow.